Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're headed to Aloe Yoga to try the faux leather Power Hour full zip crop jacket and short set. Now before we dive in with the features, I feel like we need to highlight this material. It is so buttery soft, and I honestly am a little over this type of material being called faux leather or vegan leather because it really doesn't feel like leather at all. It just feels like the most buttery soft, silky, thicker, almost like waterproof material. But that is besides the point. Okay, getting a close look at all of the details of this jacket, you can see that it does feel very well made. I feel like they actually finished all of their features here, like they dotted all their I's and crossed all their T's to make sure this felt very luxe. You can see that the pull string is a thicker material. You kind of feel it throughout the hood. The lining is a nice material. The bottom cinch is finished well. It feels secure. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to, break a seam. There's that aloe addition on the zipper as well as the inner lining of the hood, and it really just feels like you're getting your money's worth here. Taking a look at the shorts too, they also just feel very well made. I was a little concerned about the shorts specifically being a little crunchy, for lack of better words, and just not comfortable, but this material, again, like it's kind of fleecy on the inside and just really buttery on the outside. I did have my normal size and extra small in the hoodie, and I actually sized up in the shorts and tried on a small, mainly because I thought I would want extra room with this type of material. However, I think I should go with my main size of extra small. Overall, I thought this was a super trendy look, and I definitely brought it home.
As always, be sure to check the description below for links and discounts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.